So we'll continue the practice in electrostatics. But as I keep always telling you, give some kind of a feedback. And if you people volunteer, of course, I'll give you the opportunity to set up the question on your own. When you say practice, it is not copying and repeating, right? It is from the knowledge you have, trying to solve. Trying to solve a given a set of problems is practice, not copying solutions, right? So when you try to solve, you may get some, you may not get some. That's one part. Second part is, say I present you a solution. You can think of doing slightly the same thing slightly different way, isn't it? So it's both the ways. So those who get it, is there some other way to do it? Those who did not get it, can I try and fail, and next time will I improve? Okay, so I'll start the questions. But as I told you, try on your own for a while. All right. Look, we have two large conducting plates. All right, are kept parallel to each other as shown in the figure. In equilibrium, the charge density on facing surfaces is sigma 1, sigma 2. Do you follow?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Facing surfaces sigma 1, sigma 2. Do you follow? So
Yes.
how much is the electric field at A? How much is the electric field at A? All right. So my screen is visible to you properly.
Yes.
I'm trying a little new method. You must have understood what am I doing. Right. So how much is the electric field at A? So would you like to suggest something? Come on.
Sir, if we consider some Q1 and Q2 charges on the plates,
Okay.
then we know the formula for inside the plates, it will be Q2 minus Q1 by 2.
Yeah, okay, she started all right. I don't even want to know or tell it is right or wrong. I would just simply follow what Shreya says. Let us see whether we get it right or whether we go wrong, how the things are happening. Let us see. So Shreya says, sir, let us think the total charge on this is Q1, this is Q2. Therefore, from the results we know, tell me Shreya, Q1 plus
Q2 by 2.
2 here, Q1 plus Q2 by 2 here, and then here
Q1 minus Q2
minus
by 2.
Q2 by 2 on this
Q2 minus Q1 by 2.
or minus of Q1 minus Q2 by 2. All right, Shreya. After that, what should I do?
Sigma 1 will be
Right. Sigma 1 will be
Q1 minus Q2 by 2 into the area of that face.
by area.
Yes.
Okay.
Sigma 2 will be
Minus of
Q1 minus Q2 by 2A.
Okay, agreed. After that,
Uh, At point A, field will be because of the 4 parts of charges.
that's good. So at A, the field is because of 4 parts. Just a minute. At A, the field is because of charge on 4 sides. Right, agreed. Even this is all right. I have no problem with this. But you know, Shriya, I'll suggest something. Field because of the outer charge in the middle will be what?
So
Charge on
direction
the outer
will be
plates.
opposite, so 0.
Opposite and magnitudes are going to be equal, no?
Yes,
So you need not consider those two for the space in the middle, isn't it so?
yes, sir.
But still, the basic is this only. The field at the midpoint is because of charges on all the 4 sides. Agreed. After that,
Yeah. For charge, we can write in terms of sigma,
okay,
and E we can write from there.
right. Okay, now tell me. Q1 minus Q2 equals
Sigma 1 to
sigma 1 into 2A.
Yes, sir.
And minus of
Q1 minus Q2 will be a sigma 2 into 2A.
sigma 2 into 2A. All right. So field here, this is plus charge, this is minus charge. All right. So Sriya,
Yes.
proceed. Field of
The
these two will be in the
direction-
same direction, right?
Yes, sir, towards minus.
Towards minus. So the total field will be what?
2 times.
2 times. So you would like to write? Yeah. Do others agree? Because this is Q1 minus Q2, this is minus of Q1 minus Q2. Right?
Yes,
like
sir.
plus Q minus Q, if I have plus Q2 minus Q, will put the field direction, isn't it?
Yes,
Which is Q by 2A epsilon 0 of this, Q by 2 epsilon 0 of this. That's what Sriya is saying. Okay, Amma. 2 into, tell me.
Q1 minus Q2 by 2.
Q1 minus Q2 by 2 into A epsilon 0.
0.
So 2 got cancel. Shall I remove or keep it there? Doesn't matter. Now
Yes.
what is Q1 minus Q2?
Sigma 1 to A.
Sigma 1 to A. Right?
Yes.
So 2 into sigma 1
2A
2A
by
divided by
2A epsilon 0.
or you can also write this one. So it will be either in terms of that or in terms of that. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So 2 gets cancelled. A
A
gets
also cancelled.
so 2 sigma 1 by
Epsilon 0.
epsilon 0. So people tell me whether she is right or wrong. Any issues are there with that? Tell me. Tell me.
No.
No,
Oh,
Sudhir says. Yes, he says. No, he says.
Sir, it is correct.
No, you just check it for a while. If there seems to be some kind of a problem. Hello. And this direction is towards minus, Sriya.
Yes.
But if there is any issue, just check it. Others. Small mistake happened actually. Where you just check. Sigma 1 is Q1 minus Q2 by 2A and E equals charge by 2A epsilon 0. Charge by 2a epsilon 0 only we
Sir,
wrote.
another 2.
Where?
Denominator.
Small calculation thing you see.
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
Tell me.
Sir, E we should take divide by another 2, sir.
Why? E will be basically if charge Q is there, Q by 2a
2a.
epsilon 0. No? So did we write that?
No, sir.
We did not.
We,
We wrote it, no? Q1,
sir,
Q1.
for one side charges Q1 minus Q2 by 2. So another 2a2 should do.
So that will be
For a epsilon 0.
no Q by 2a epsilon 0 because of 1 and Q by 2a epsilon 0 because of the other. So it will be Q by a epsilon 0. Hello. Like if I have plus Q here, one side minus Q one side. At this point, what? Sigma by 2 epsilon 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is Q by 2a epsilon 0 because of 1 plus
Yes, sir.
Q by 2a epsilon 0 because of the other. So what am I getting? Q by a epsilon 0. So this will go. Hello.
Yes.
No, but that correct only we wrote. Q by 2a epsilon 0, Q by 2 times Q1 minus Q2 by 2a epsilon 0 I wrote, no?
Sir, but we should divide with another 2, no, sir. Because one side charges Q1 minus Q2 by 2.
That's what you need to write. So charge was Q, one more 2 you have, right?
Yes, sir. Denominator, one more 2 will be.
One more 2 will be there.
So at the
What?
end, it becomes sigma 1 by epsilon 0.
So here 1, 2 gone, isn't it?
Yes.
1, 2 gone, right? So Q1 minus this Q1 minus Q2 sigma 1 into 2a. This won't be there.
Yes.
So what am I getting?
Sigma 1 by epsilon 0.
That's correct. All right.
Yeah,
Hello,
yes,
children.
sir.
So tell me. So that's enough. Like this is how you'll use what you already know. Children, others are not speaking. Others are not speaking. But you can also get it in terms of something else. Can you check it?
So minus sigma 2 by epsilon 0.
Come on, somebody else please speak. I have to continue.
Yes, sir.
It is sigma 1 by 2 epsilon 0 or minus
Sigma 2 by epsilon.
Yes.
Sir, because sigma 1 to 2a is equals to minus sigma 2 2.
That's right. So it can be this or this. Is it over?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Right. Good. Now I'll go for some more questions like that. But now I expect somebody else to solve this. So what was happening to others? Why you were not willing to start? All right. Can you go to next question?
Yes.
I'm going. But others, if you followed it, all right. Otherwise, you should ask something like how we did it, all that. Okay, second one. Tell me. Children, your Bhaskas's class will be not at 6:30 but 5:30. Do you understand? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, I think it is at 6:30 previously planned, right?
Yes.
So it will be at 5:30, sir. Just sent a message to me. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay. Now we had one similar problem given previously. So even if you take a little time, I'm not worried. Or like 3 hours guiding the calculation and starting it. Others do it. Now I'll ask Aryan to do this. If I'm asking you, I have a certain plan for you. Like I guess that you will get it. This will be to your liking. Huh? All right. So we have a circular charge. I mean, charge in a linear charge distributed on a circle like this, and this angle is theta. Aryan, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
This is theta. This is theta equals 0. But remember, this lambda, the charge density of this is lambda 0 cos theta by 2. So tell me, is the charge plus or minus? Huh? Is the charge plus or minus on the ring? Hello?
Yes,
What I'm asking, is the charge plus or minus on the ring? I'm asking. When I give lambda equals lambda 0 cos theta by 2, can I say the whole charge is plus or whole charge is minus or plus somewhere minus somewhere?
plus
Huh?
positive.
Is cos theta positive in all the quadrants?
No, sir.
Then
Second quadrant and fourth quadrant.
so charge is not all
Oh, positive.
or
All over
negative, isn't it? Okay,
Yeah.
anyway, that is the intuitive understanding, but mass also will give you the answer. Find the electric potential at O. We did something like this for electric field strength. Now find the electric potential at O, at O, center of the ring. All right. So somebody who did not do it, just previous one, look at it. Now come back to this. Children. What is the name? Aryan. Aryan, don't worry. Huh? Just do it. Actually, I've already given you a clue talking about the charge. But as I told you, if you cannot intuitively guess it, you can as well use the maths. Yes, somebody else, Trishul, Vamshi. Start something. I'll tell you many a time, you people don't intend and don't start doing a problem because you think the answer should come to you in a jiffy, which doesn't happen. And you don't want to take a risk of starting and failing. It's called risk averse people. And you remember, when you become businessmen in the future, entrepreneurs in the future, the first thing is that you should take a risk. So we don't know probably whether I'll get this way, that way. I'm not very sure. Start, you'll get it. Some random start you do. You do not even have to plan till the end. You think like that. I should know in advance as to how to get the answer in my mind, then I'll do it, then I talk about it. No. Lambda 0 cos theta by 2. So what does it mean? Look, children, one thing I'll tell you. Potential for a dq charge at a distance r would be how much? Please tell me quickly. There's a dq charge here. At this point, I would like to write the potential. Am I there in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So then why don't you say something or the other?
K
Potential
dq
formula. V equals K
dq by r.
R. So this is not electric field strength. Electric field strength is a vector, and we always have a problem with vectors. No, like, I mean, calculation is lengthy. So scalars calculations are easy, no? So if I have a dq charge here, k dq by r, k dq by r, k dq by r, like that you get, isn't it? So dv, that is due to a dq charge. Hello. It is k dq by r. Capital R, isn't it? And total
Yes.
V of all the small charges on the ring are integral k dq by r, which is k by r integral dq finally, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what is integral dq? Lambda 0 cos theta by 2 into what? If this is theta, if I take a little more here, d theta like this, dq will be how much? R
D theta.
d theta. So k lambda 0 cos theta by 2 d theta from 0 to, tell me,
2 pi.
2 pi. So what will be this? Cos theta by 2's integration.
1 by 2 into
1 by 2 into sine
theta by 2.
theta by 2 between
0 to 2 pi.
0 to 2 pi. So what will be this?
Zero, sir.
That's all. Hello.
Yes.
Why,
Yes.
Aryan? Why you are not willing to risk? Why are you not willing to risk? Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm there.
So shall I go to the next one? Is it 0 or not, children? Substitution sine 2 pi by 2. How much? Sine 180. Sine 0. So is it 0 or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So can I continue?
Sir, in the diagram, till 180 degrees, it will be positive. And after 180 degrees, it will be
180
negative.
degrees, is it positive?
So because theta by 2 is there.
Oh, theta by 2. Okay, all right.
At pi, it will be pi by 2.
Yeah, sure. So we could have guessed it intuitively without doing all this, isn't it?
Yes.
Good thing is that potentially simply it doesn't bother how the charge is distributed, linearly, non-linearly, doesn't matter, because whatever the charge density there, somewhere it will be nearer, somewhere it will be not nearer. You understand the density? It may be closer somewhere, it may be farther somewhere. It doesn't really matter here because all those DQs are the same distance from the center.
Center.
So DQ by R, DQ by R, when somebody will just put, if you're okay with the cost function properly, if you understood the meaning of cost function, and if you remember that potentially simply a scalar number, you won't do this full question. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
You don't need to do all this again. I mean, in a elaborate way like this. Hello. Huh?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So can I continue? Who will try the problem now? Take the lead. No one is interested. No one is interested to try anything. All right, I'll give you. There are two identical balls like this. Okay, they have plus Q and minus Q charge, and they are joined. What will be this actually? Whatever I'm showing. What do you call it?
Dipole.
Dipole. Isn't it so?
Yes.
Yes.
This is minus Q. And the total, this is a pivot. This distance is 2a. Pivot means it is destined to move in that around the pivot. It is arranged to move around that pivot. Now we have another sphere of charge Q. Is fixed here at A, for example. The system is released from the situation as shown in the figure. You know, this is fixed here at A. All right. This system is released from rest. At this instant. At the instant shown. Okay. Hello, children.
Yes.
Yes.
Find the angular velocity of the rod. Omega equals how much for the rod? When it turns through 90. When it turns through 90 degrees. I'm sorry. Hope you followed the question.
Yes.
So we will attempt it this time. Remember, children, I'll go on giving solutions like this, for example, you without interacting. You haven't practiced it. Like when people say practice, if they mean that solutions they'll do once and repeat them, which generally is the thinking from many parents and many children actually. The things that long hours, if you sit and go on doing thousands of questions, you will do something. No, that's a very brute force way method. It doesn't work. So practicing is actually, like I told you, you need to start and do something. Let it be wrong. So who will try it now? Vamshi? Start means doesn't even write anything. Think, sir, I can do this way. Maybe it is like this, something like that you tell me. Huh? Whatever you want to say, you say. It's like this only, right? All right. Find the angular velocity of the rod when the rod turns through 90 degrees. Come on. The minimum thing if I were a student, I would just at least, I mean, I don't know exactly how I might have started, but it is there fixed. Probably some E will act on the charges, isn't it so? Some E like
Yes.
this. Some E like this will act. So this will start going that way. This will start coming this way, I think, intuitively. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. The minus Q will get
And therefore,
subtracted.
see, now this is 2a. This distance I have not given. I'm sorry. This is also 2a. Okay. So when it turns like this after turning to 90 degrees, 90 degrees means, you know how like this it turns. So what will happen? Can you tell me? It will be here, this minus, this is 2a, this is plus, right? This will be
Yes.
a. Huh? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes.
So, but here it will have some kinetic energy, right? Rotational kinetic energy will be there, right? At this point.
Yes.
How, from where did it come? Say, if I say the whole system's potential energy is U1 here, U2 here, what can I write? Can you tell me? Delta K plus delta U is equal to 0, or work done by all the forces? Tell me. Tell me.
So here all the forces will be.
Look here, it should have been mentioned that gravity is ignored. If it is not given, you may do this way. So 0, because there is no other force than electrostatic force, isn't it? Hello.
Yes.
0. Delta K means what? Half I omega square minus 0 plus K2 minus K1 equals 0. Isn't it so?
Sir, U2 minus.
Sorry, U2 minus U. So half I omega square equals what?
U1 minus.
U1 minus U2. So is it not reducing to a simple problem like this? U1 is now, U2 is later. Isn't it so?
Yes.
And what is I? The mass is M. I equals what? Mr square plus
Li square.
Ma square plus Ma square. Here A is the distance. So I is given. Right? And you know how to write the potential energy formula. U1 you know, U2 you know. Just do that and tell me omega finally. Come on. I'll wait. Is this okay? Whoever did not talk, whomever I called, they were not saying anything. Vamshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we did the question. We'll get the answer. Do you have anything to say after that, or you'll just believe this like this? You may ask, why only this way? Also, somebody can ask. Huh? I'm trying my best to motivate you, but you're not talking. And I'm telling you again and again, ultimately, this whole program's mandate is only this, to solve problems and nothing else. Once you are comfortable with this, believe me, you will tailor it to any requirement, because the mind got motivated, activated, started thinking, started applying. So if I give you a particular book and ask you to study for intermediate exam, you will do that. Like subject to answers, you will be able to do. And you are given level 1 assignments and asked to do that for some state level exam, you will do that. IIT exam, you will do that. And all this will carry later to future also. You'll become independent. You know, once you go to higher learning institutes, nowadays especially, it's all big numbers and big money. So people don't have patience for individuals. There'll be a program, that's all. That too, in terms of time, very hectic programs will have. So whether you follow it or not, just that just goes on happening on its own. And a particular day, in 1 hour, some lesson has to be finished, means finished. But the exams will be competitive. Not that exams they'll make easy because the the inputs they have given are not so good. So how will people manage it? Taking whatever they've given as the framework, people study on their own for the toughest exams. So this gives you actually that independence of application, and therefore, I mean, it's used everywhere. Okay, come on, tell me, Omega. Hello. You want me to complete it for you? Or somebody wants to get into the act of doing that flow, keep talking to me. I'll keep helping you to write things down. Come on.
For omega square, I'm getting 13/2 kq square by MAQ.
Something is missing.
Sir. So omega equals to q by a into under root 2k by 3
q by
a into.
No, I'll give the answer. Just compare and tell me. Is it this 6 pi epsilon 0 MAQ? I don't know. The answer is like that. I still want to see.
Yes, sir. It is.
One thing is for sure. Plus q minus q's their potentiality that doesn't change even though it turned, isn't it? Hello. You haven't understood what I was telling. For 3 charges system like that, potential energy means you write for every pair. So this pair, this dipole pair is like this way here. So when it turned also, that is not changing, no?
Yes, that is constant.
So you need to find out only this one, and then later this one. Am I right?
Yes, sir. U1 like that will get 0.
Huh?
Like that U1 we will get 0, sir.
0. Why? Because
Distance is same.
yeah, the distance is same here for this, and isn't it so?
Yes.
So are you getting this answer finally? Have to check. Come on, Shriya, tell me U1 will be how much?
Sir,
K.
0, but KQQ by 2A.
Which one? This one?
QQ. A.
But
Can
no,
we
you should
make
say
this
with
as
minus and plus signs whenever you write potential energy. Huh?
yes, sir.
Plus
Plus K plus Q by
minus Q by root 2A. Hello.
yes.
Which distance root?
Sir, first one will have 2A no, sir, in the denominator.
Sorry. This is 2A. So this one plus Q into plus Q by A. This is root 2A. This is
A root
root.
5.
So
Root 5A.
root 2A here plus K plus Q
plus Q.
Tell me.
Plus Q, sir. We wrote minus Q 2 times.
Sorry, here plus Q, here minus. Okay. So what is happening?
They're getting cancelled. The last two. Second and
This
third one.
is getting cancelled. So U1 is there.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
So U2.
U2 again K plus Q.
This will be there as usual. K into plus Q
minus Q by
2A
plus
plus
K plus Q minus Q by
K plus Q minus Q by A plus
K plus Q by 3A.
3A. So what am I getting now? When you wanted U1 minus U2, right?
Yes. The
So
second
this
one will get cancelled.
U1 minus U2, if you do, this first thing is getting cancelled.
Yes, sir. First thing is getting cancelled.
This is cancelling, right? Then this
we-
minus you get, right?
Yes.
Huh?
1 by 3
Both
minus.
this is minus, this is plus. So this will be plus and this will be minus, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you say?
Yes, sir. 2
So this
by 3 KQ square by A.
This one?
Yes, sir.
So this is equal to half.
Half 2m A square omega square. 2 gets cancelled.
See, you made me do all this. So what am I getting? Am I getting what the answer I mentioned?
No. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. K, we take 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. We get it.
You get it, right? So omega equals the answer we mentioned will come. Just check it. You made me do the whole calculation also. That's not a good thing. Hello.
Last part only I made a mistake, sir, but calculating else.
No, that's why I'm asking you to say if you're not able to finish it there, you tell me, I'll write for you. I'll be a scribe. I told you already, the only way to solve problems or the only way to do new things is to do mistakes. And if anyone told they got it from nowhere, they're bluffing. Only thing is they don't do too many mistakes. right? So the initial investment, when you do, you will definitely do mistake. You have to. There's no other way. Come on. So others, please tell me. You're not speaking much. Others. Actually, once you get into the mood of doing things, all these calculations will be fast because you have to follow it. I'm doing it elaborately. But why should you do that? Once you know how to set it up, you can skip steps, right? But don't ever think that there will be tricks all the time. Tricks are already given by the principles of physics. The principles of physics are tricks of nature. Believe me. By doing again and again, probably you will get the habit of using the old results and make it short. Otherwise, there's nothing like some funny, dirty trick by anybody. Don't work all the time, even if they are there. Okay. Can I continue?
Yes.
Aryan, Vamshi, why you people are not speaking? I wanted to somehow motivate you towards doing assignments, which is not happening. So before giving the assignment, I really wanted to tell you that this is the method to solve the problems. Okay, can I go to next question?
Yes, sir.
Fourth. Two concentric conducting spheres we have as shown. I'll show them here. Okay, the inner radius is R1, the outer radius is R2. What are these things I told you? Sudhir, what are these things? Hello, concentric conducting spheres. Concentric conducting spheres. The outer one is a shell. Outer one is hollow, means it is shell-like thing. All right. The outer sphere is hollow and has a total charge of plus 5 microcoulombs on it. This has got how much? Plus 5 microcoulombs. And R1 is 9 centimeters. R2 is 10 centimeters. You can put them a little closer. I did not see the numbers. That's inner radius, total charge. The inner radius is R1, outer is R2 for the shell, children. Okay. I'll put one more thing here. Hope you understood now.
Sir, meaning there's a third shell.
Okay. This has got a total charge of plus 5 microcoulombs. Okay. So this is inner radius 9, outer radius 10. Not R1 not. Okay.
Sir, here meaning one sphere and one shell.
Yes. Inner radius 9 centimeter, outer radius 10 centimeter. This is for the shell. Hello. Okay, inner one is a sphere, doesn't matter.
Yes.
Sir, this means the thickness is 1 centimeter.
Yeah. Yeah, thickness is 1 centimeter. And this R1 is 1 centimeter. I mean, actually my scale is not correct. Okay. Doesn't matter. Numbers are given. R1 is 1 centimeter, children. This is solid. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So if they're not looking realistic, just you can draw that way. R1 is 1 centimeter. The inner is solid. Hello. So the question is this: what is the potential? What is the potential what is the potential of the inner surface of the spherical shell? Of the inner surface of the spherical shell. Once again, let's remember, if you don't start doing it, you don't get it. See, the net charge on the shell is what? 5 microcoulombs. If you want, I'll just even put material in this. So this is the total situation, children. I hope I did not miss anything. The outer sphere is hollow and has a total charge plus 5. Nothing else is given, right? Oh, sorry. This has a charge of minus 3 microcoulombs. Which one? The inner one. All right. Come on.
Sir, charges will be induced. So inner surface will have +3.
Just a minute. I'll just repeat my question figure here. Tell me. This is a problem figure. This is a question, solution figure. All right.
Yes, sir. For R2 inner surface, it will be +3 microcoulombs.
Because of the induction.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Because of the induction, right? That's what you're saying.
Yes,
This
sir.
-3 will make +3 here and
-3 on the outer surface.
outer surface.
But net charge is +5. So +8 should be there initially, excess.
+8 should be the excess, right? So far, so good. No problem. Come on, now it's going to be over fast. We wanted what? The potential of the inner shell, which is a contribution from
-3 sphere and
this one, and this one, isn't it? Sriya.
Yes, sir, we should write for the pairs.
Huh?
We should write for the pairs, sir. Like
we're not wanting the potential energy here. We want the potential at that in inner surface is potential due to itself, potential to charge on the sphere, potential to charge on the outer shell. So isn't it? No energy here. We're asking.
yes.
What do you say?
Oh, great.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what should I do? The potential at inner surface. The required answer V equals. Shall I write like this? K into -3 microcoulombs by how much is this distance from the center of the sphere to the inner shell?
9.
Look at the radii. Inner radius is 9 centimeters.
The center of the sphere, it will be,
From here only 9.
yes.
9.
So for this whole thing, -3 is like the point charge at the center, and potentially to that at this point is what?
uh,
9.
Q-
Can I write or not?
Yes. Outside
Yes, sir.
it will be that much distance.
Potential due to the -3 microcoulombs at this point. Can I write like this or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is this? If I have a sphere like this, potential is Q here. At an external point R is not K into plus Q by R. So what did I do now? That only I wrote. Many times this has come. Huh?
Yes.
Plus
For the outer one,
potential due to itself. Potential due to
Q by
itself.
R, K plus 3 by 9.
K into plus
3.
3 microcoulombs. Can you see what is happening?
Yes, sir.
Because something went wrong here. You're able to see the screen?
Yes, sir. We can see the screen.
For me, this window got closed. You can see it, no? So I'll write it. So K into plus 3 microcoulombs by what?
9.
9 itself, right?
Yes.
Plus due to the outer shell.
K into plus 8 by 10.
Plus 8 I should take or -3 I should take. So should I remove that -3 previous one? Hello. The individual charges when I take plus 8 or that one I should write. Hello. Kids,
The
come on.
previous one, +1.
Here.
Yes, sir.
What am I going to write here? I should remove this -3. Don't look at -3 now. Huh?
Yes, sir. Plus 8 excess charge was there initially.
Plus 8 or plus 5. What should I write? Now, come on, make it fast.
Plus 5.
Plus 5. Huh? Isn't it so, children?
Yes, sir. +1.
So K into plus 5 microcoulombs by how much?
10, sir.
10 centimeters, which is also the potential inside, isn't it?
Yes.
So I wrote deliberately in units so that we can convert units there. Now, what am I getting,
Your
children?
screen is stuck, sir.
Huh?
We
Yes.
can't see what you wrote now.
You cannot. What happened actually? I don't know. Now? Hello?
No, sir. Only till first term, second term half we can.
This one? Now? Because I wanted to get more tools, I went for my sharing my iPad on the Zoom today. So this pen, you can write it in a great way. People are already dropping off. I don't know why. So, but anyway, you know what to write, huh? I
Yes,
just
sir.
what stop share everything, the screen sharing, everything is there. Is it because of the internet speed?
Sir, or if you stop share and then start again.
Stop share. Shall I take the risk? All right, let me see. Okay now?
Yes, sir. Now we can see.
Right. All right.
We'll get K by 2 centimeters.
So this gets cancelled, the first two?
Yes.
Yes.
It gets cancelled. So what am I getting now?
K
Huh?
by 2.
If I have to write everything in unit, proper numbers, 9 into 10 to the power 9, 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 by
10 into 10
10
power
into 10.
minus 1.
minus 2. So something is going wrong somewhere. Somewhere it went wrong. Tell me. Where did it go wrong? All right. The answer given there is 180 kilovolts. So where we went wrong, just check it. Is it coming 180? No, it's coming 45 into whatever.
45 into 10 power 4.
45 into 10 to the power
4.
4. So 450 you're getting. Hello. So
Yes.
number. So can you just check where the mistake is and tell me tomorrow? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Numbers 1 centimeter, something in the numbers, I don't know, we'll see, because already people are dropping off. I'll close it now and tell me tomorrow. By tomorrow, of course, you'll get this assignment. I want you to try. Okay.
Yes.
All right, I'll be stopping now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.